For 34 consecutive quarters, the U.S. home price has increased. And according to the Federal Housing Finance Agency, this last home price increase in quarter four was by 5.1% from a year ago. 34 consecutive quarters is 8.5 years, by the way. Man, I wish my old Pokemon cards increased in price that much. Dude, us millennials would be so rich, and we could afford so many homes. Despite an up and down and right ways and left ways and down ways and sideways economy and low inventory, January experienced a healthy new home sales spike. Right in the face. Up 18.6% from 2019. That's a lot. And since rates are getting historically lower and lower, and tweets like this one are popping up all over my timeline, I expect February and March to be same. So we know that home sales were like soup's dope, yo, in January. So what does that mean for the spring home buying season when home buying gets real spicy? Well, if you want to sell your home for the highest price, the month of May, that's like your sweet spot right there. The month of May boasts a full % more than expected sell price and a sell time that's at least 6 days faster than on average. So even if your summer bod isn't exactly on point by the end of May, who cares, man? I don't care. Because you can just use all that money you just sold your home for to pay for a personal trainer. The initial public offerings for Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are now on par to be in 2021 after FHFA Director Mark Calabria mentioned that the stock will be available if and only if the companies have a sufficient financial base. And if that day comes, when that day comes, trading app Robinhood, they better be ready. I feel like a lot of bros and broettes, bras, I don't know. Well, they're going to be all over that like the nerds on Tesla, which we call musketeers, by the way. And Robinhood could be in for a big ol' system-wide outage, just like last Monday, when we all missed out on a really big day and a lot of money. But anyway, the main reason the IPOs have been postponed is that dang capital, man. Calabria mentioned that he doesn't really feel comfortable enough in the two companies to withstand a stressed housing market. One of the biggest milestones towards a successful IPO will be the FHFA's GSE capital rule change, which could happen later this year.